Mugabe's daughter.
The people of Chinrase and Pepiase are brothers because the one who founded Chinrase is the same person who founded Pepiase. He was called Ampedu Chire.
Ampedu Chire.
In Chinrase Kwau, we have in Kofienwu Cave, we have the source of River Pra, and we have the Echo Mountain.
Maakye TV so kwakwanso na ekasai enne yede mo ba bepiem ewo Maakye ama mpepi ya na yede mba kwa Twunurase yede mo kɔ cave ni mo enne yede mo kɔ eye Maakye ama na Maakye ama no eye eboa ukasa na eno nso akasa edi wachi na eye hu ye nika ye pa enne Maakye TV ede mo aba bepiem ewo ha na yede tourist bi so aba ha no mo no so eba be experience the Echo Mountain no nti ye brava ko wa ha no ma ono na ye tour guide wa ha eye prof ono na eba be cheche Echo Mountain abakosem ene okwan ye fa so ede enadwuma. So subscribe to the channel na uko YouTube ayo Maakye TV uba Facebook ba Maakye TV GH subscribe YouTube na fe follow here on Facebook na wa share se de be ya onyonkun so ebetimi anya video ni bi ahwe obusu adwuma die yomo aso asene eye Maakye multimedia group ipa cha se uye wedding uye engagement uye yi program bia uye bia uhia videography photography bia contact Maakye multimedia ewo 0240783240 0240783240 so uye program bia na pese Maakye multimedia ebetwa ma o pese design or graphics o pese design website eye bibia about social media marketing bibia no contact Maakye multimedia na ebe serve yanko na yankoti eye Maakye ama ho abakosem kakra.
Dog. No dog. You can't bring dog. I believe that during the wedding they have shrine that it doesn't like dog. Right. They call it a film. So right. You are not supposed to bring dog in. Okay, you are welcome to Twunurase Kwau, and in Twunurase Kwau we have in Kofienwu Cave we have the source of River Pra, and we have the Echo Mountain. At the moment we are going to have an experience of an Echo Mountain. I'm going to tell you the history of the people of Twunurase. Okay. The people of Twunurase belong to a clan called the Brito clan. They migrated from Adanse Ayas in the Ashanti region around 1630 to 1660. When they came, they settled at various places before they finally came to settle at their present site, and it has been 121 years since they came to settle at their present location. The people of Twunurase and Pepiase are brothers because the one who founded Twunurase is the same person who founded Pepiase. He was called Ampedu Chire.
Ampedu Chire.
Yeah. And the people of Abende and Abetifi also belong to the, and Ntaso also belong to the Brito clan. So during the olden days, whenever they are going, the people, Ashanti people are going for war, the people of Mampong will come for their brothers here who are Brito to join them in the battle. In the cave, during the olden days, whenever they are going for war, they go and hide inside the cave and prepare a medicine in an account. They will say, we are cooking war. Okun is war and cooking war. So, okun. We are cooking war.
That another day.
Okay. So when they prepare the medicine from there and they bring it out and they see anyone, that medicine that they have prepared from there, they sprinkle on anyone that they see. When that medicine touches you, you become fully charged and you like to join them in fighting. So according to history, all the battles that the people of Twunurase went, they were victorious and even helped Ashanti in fighting so many wars. And one of the wars that they fought was called the Crepe War. They fought it in the Volta region, and in 1869, Nana Kofi Kakari of Ashanti gave a title to a chief from this town. The chief was called Kwadwo Ameniampong. He was given the title Kum Nipa. when we say kumnipa, it doesn't mean someone who kill people,
Okay.
but someone who fight for his people. So we will be moving straight.
Kumnipa.
Kumnipa.
All right.
It doesn't mean he kill
Doesn't
people,
kill.
but he fight for his people. So we are moving straight to experience the phenomenon of an echo. It is a phenomenon where sound is going to hit the surface, but this time around, sound is going to hit the mountain and bounces back. Let's go straight and have an experience of an echo.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, this mountain that you are seeing, the real name of this mountain is called Kantanchi Abrakwa.
Kantanche Abrakwa.
But we prefer to call it Maakye. River Pra takes its source from there, passing through the valley and going through the first village called Akoko Benmu. So far will drink water and going all the way to join the sea. It is also called Echo Mountain because whenever you shout at it, it bounces back. The phenomenon where sound hits a surface and bounces back is an echo. I'm going to demonstrate it. You listen attentively. Kwe kwe! Kwe kwe!
Okay.
You are welcome to Aquaman TV, and today you came to have an experience of an echo. Looking at this mountain, how will you describe this mountain?
There's no words to describe it.
It's
because
undescribable.
It's undescribable, but it is just out of this world. That's what I can say. I can't find one word to describe it other than to say it is just exceedingly.
Have you heard
amazingly-
anywhere that there is a mountain that you can have an echo experience, or a mountain called echo?
No, this is the first one, and I've tried the echo.
So what are you telling people across the globe? Because over 1 billion people will be watching this video.
Yeah. Come to Ghana, come to Kwau,
If,
and come and experience the amazing Echo Mountain.
if you really want to have an experience of an echo mountain, there is no other place than Kwau. Come to Ghana and have an experience, specifically Chinrasi Kwau, and have an experience of an echo. I am Frimpon Emmanuel Ochri together with
Tula.
Tula from Zimbabwe. So
Thank
Ghana
you.
meets Zimbabwe.